Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Aini. I'm from TBID, semester 5. In this video, I will present about analyzing crossbook. And the title of my crossbook is Student Book My Next Word for Elementary School, then published by Kementerian Pendidikan Kebudayaan, Riset, dan Teknologi. Okay, for the first analysis is target audience. The target audience of this course book is fourth grade elementary school student in Indonesia. This book is designed to meet the needs of English language learning for children who are in the early stage of learning a foreign language. Okay, the next analysis is aim and approach. The aim of this course book is to facilitate students. Okay, the next analysis is aim and approach. The aim of this course book is to facilitate students in learning English in a fun and interactive way. The approach used is a communicative approach, where students are encouraged to interact and use English in every context. The book also aims to improve listening, speaking, reading, and writing skill in a balanced manner. Okay, the next analysis is topic content. Okay, the next analysis is topic content. The topic covered in this course book include various aspects of daily life, such as activities at home, and then transportation and social interaction. These topics are relevant to student experience and help them relate English learning through daily life. Okay, the next is analysis about design and organization. The design and organization of the course book is quite okay, the next is analysis about design and organization. The design and organization of the course book is quite attractive and child-friendly. Each unit has a clear structure, starting with the introduction of the topic, followed by diverse activities, and ending with experience that strengthen student understanding. The illustration and picture use also support the understanding of the content. Okay, the next analysis about skill and language content of this course book. For the skill is this course book focus on developing for language skill. The first is listening, through listening activities involving dialogues and song. The second is speaking, through in-class interaction and conversation. The third is reading, through reading that is appropriate to the student level of understanding. Okay, the last is writing, through a simple and structured writing exercise. Okay, the next is language content. The language content in this course book cover basic vocabulary and simple sentence structure that are appropriate for grade 4 students. The book also emphasizes the use of contextual and practical English. The next analysis about practical consideration. Practically, the book provide worksheet and activities. The next analysis about practical consideration. Practically, the book provide worksheet and activities that can be done in class or at home. This allows students to practice independently and reinforce the learning that has been done in the class. Okay, the next analysis about methodology of this coursebook. The next analysis about methodology. The methodology used in this coursebook is an activity-based learning method. Students are invited to engage in various activities such as discussion, game, and group project. This aims to create an active and collaborative learning environment. Social aspect. The first aspect is method or presentation strategy. This coursebook uses an activity-based learning method and communicative approach. Some of the presentation strategies implemented include the first is student interaction. The book encourages students to interact with each other, tough discussion, games, and group activities. This helps students to practice speaking and listening in real context setting. Second is use of visual. Illustration and picture are used effectively to support student understanding of the material. Visualization help students who may struggle to understand written text. The last is contextualized approach. The material are presented in a context relevant to student daily life, so they can see the practical application of the language learned. The second aspect is language feature. This coursebook emphasizes the introduction of vocabulary and sentence structure that are simple and appropriate to the student developmental level. Some of the language features considered are basic vocabulary. The book introduces vocabulary that is often used in daily life, such as names of object, activity, and common expression. It's also introduced vocabulary that is often used in everyday life. The next is simple sentence structure. The use of sentences that are easy to understand and remember, such as a question, sentence, and simple statement, help student in communication. The last is repetition and variation. Vocabulary and sentence structure are repeated with variation to reinforce student understanding and long-term memory. Okay, the last aspect is social value. This course book also contains important social value, including cooperation and collaboration. Through group activities, students are taught to cooperate and respect the opinions of their peers. This helps build important social skills. The second is respect for culture. The material presented cover various cultural aspects that can broaden students' horizon on diversity. This is important in the content of globalization and intercultural interaction. And the last is character education. The book also emphasizes the importance of positive attitudes such as discipline and responsibility through example in the context of learning. I think enough for the presentation. This time for conclusion and recommendation. Overall, my next word grade 4 is an effective course book for English language learning at the primary level. It meets the needs of students with an interactive approach and relevant content. It is recommended that teachers use this book as the main guide in teaching English, while they still adopting the methods and activities to specific needs of the student in their class. In addition, feedback from students and parents can be used to improve the quality of learning in the future. I think enough for my presentation about analysis course book. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.